watching them. Look at their faces.
אל תיגע בי. Don't touch me.
תרחק ממני בבקשה.
תרחק ממני.
תרחק ממני.
מה אתה עושה פה? אתה באדמה פרטית פלסטינית. אל תיגע בי.
תרחק ממני.
לך מפה.
אל תבעט בי.
לך מפה.
When I began filming that video, I did not understand just how much it was going to escalate. It's been almost 24 hours since then, and it has been a stream of constant bullshit. I barely slept, and it's clearly not the end. So I'll show you what happened yesterday, but there will likely be more.
We're watching the establishment of a new Israeli settler outpost as we speak. There are the settlers, and they're building an outpost just a few meters away from Palestinian houses that you can see behind me. They already cut the Palestinian fence, and we're expecting more and more violence as time goes on. And these are the same settlers who ethnically cleansed Ras Ain al-Oja just a few months ago. Now they're moving to another location to expel yet another Palestinian community, now in Taiba.
רבי שמעון בר יוחאי ואמרתם כה לכו רבי שמעון בר יוחאי.
לא רוצה, מחר.
מחר. We're doing retreat. Everything.
זוז מהמכוניות!
אל תיגע בי.
וואו.
אתה רוצה לראות מפה של מה זה אדמה פרטית בטאבו?
כן, הוא רוצה. אולי הוא רוצה.
אני לא צריך לראות את זה. תודה.
לא, אבל גם אדמה פרטית.
שנייה, אז אתם לא הולכים להוציא אותם אדמה פרטית?
The army came, shook hands with the settlers and left, and the settlers are still here now flashing a light at us, and they started a fire and brought some construction materials. It seems like they're here to stay, and we're gonna have to do night shifts here in case they decide to attack the Palestinians at night. The settlers are installing lights pointing at the Palestinians.
הם זורקים עלינו אבנים, אתה מבין? בוא נראה לך.
יש פה פתח בגדר, בואי.
בוא תראה.
כי שטח זה הוא שטח צבאי סגור, לא ייכנס כל אדם לשטח הסגור ולא יישב בו מלבד התושבים.
It's 2 in the morning. The whole area was declared a closed military zone, which means that both us and the settlers are supposed to leave. But the army, of course, just kicked out the activists and let the settlers stay there. So now we are sleeping in the car, a 1-minute drive away from the location, ready to jump there in case anything happens.